Hello guys, and welcome back to Eric Sam's online lessons. Okay, so in this topic we are going to look at in this lesson we're going to look at transformations English, right? Okay. I want us to answer just a few questions. Okay, just a few questions. All right, so the first question here, it says number A. The first one is A. Okay, so number A says we can only access the health post when the bridge, okay, when the bridge is repaired. We can only access the health post when the bridge is repaired. Now, the question is saying begin with not until, not until. So how is it going to be when you begin with not until? What are you going to say? All right, so there we are going to say not until. Okay, not until. So it's conditional. It's conditional. So what is the condition there? The bridge has to be repaired. So not until the bridge, not until the, okay, let me use the red pen here. Not until the bridge, okay, the bridge is repaired. Not until the bridge is repaired. Okay, can we, okay, not until the bridge is repaired can we, okay, can we access, the health post. Okay, so the condition for accessing the health post, it's the bridge being repaired. If it's not repaired, then you won't access the health post. All right, now let's go to the next question. The next question says, our anxiety increased as we waited outside the courtroom. Okay, our anxiety increased as we waited outside the courtroom. Okay, now beginning with the longer. Okay, the longer. So when you say the longer, okay, remember, so you're going to say the longer we, okay, the longer, okay, so you're going to say the longer we waited, okay, the longer we waited, okay, outside the longer we waited outside the courtroom, okay, then the more our anxiety, okay, the more our anxiety increased. The more our anxiety increased. All right, I guess you can see clearly. The more our anxiety increased. That's where you can. That is the right way to rewrite that. Okay, now let's look at the next question here. The next question says, as Leo was alighting from the taxi. Okay, as Leo was alighting from the taxi, a bus hit him. As Leo was alighting from the taxi, a bus hit him. Okay, now beginning with the alighting. How is it going to be? If you're beginning with alighting, so you say alighting from the taxi. Alighting from the taxi, Leo was hit. Okay, was hit by a bus. Alighting from the taxi, Leo was hit by a bus. Okay, I guess you are following, right? All right, now let's go to the next question here. The next question there. Okay, so the next question says, okay, I was surprised that the criminal escaped from prison. I was surprised that the criminal escaped from prison. Now, beginning with that, how is it going to be? How is it going to be? So you are going to say that the criminal escaped. That the criminal escaped. Okay, escaped from. That the criminal escaped from the prison, or from prison, okay, from escaped from the prison or prison, okay, then he surprised me. Surprised me. Okay, surprised me. All right, I guess it's clear. So we are saying that the criminal escaped from the prison surprised me. Okay, that is the easiest way you can write that. Now, I want you guys to write this one. Help me with this one. How is it going to be? If you say both Mwape and Charwe do not know of their rights. So beginning with the neither. How is it going to be? Okay, so you can comment your answers in the comment section. All right, thank you very much for watching, and stay blessed.